Hi everyone, Marielle here. Let's start our mobility flow in Siddhasana. So we place one heel towards the midline and we insert the other foot in between the thigh and calf of the lower leg. Okay, and then we bring the hands in chin mudra on the knees. If this is not working, you can also modify by bringing the top foot in front of the other leg. Okay, so we'll be here for the first 2 minutes. Okay, and from here, let's start to open the eyes. Let's come to all fours from tabletop. Okay, from here, we're going to inhale, stretch our right leg up and back, and then we'll just draw circles, small circles with our right heel, any direction. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, and we'll reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bend the right knee, let it hover above the mat, circle it in, and draw the biggest circle you can make going out. Take as much time as you need until we meet in that hovering area. And then we'll just reverse that circle outwards going in. We'll do it again. Stretch your right leg to the back. Draw your 5 circles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Bend the knee. Hover above the mat. Circle it outwards. Alright, when we're ready, reverse that circle with the knee and set it down. Other side. Left leg up and back. Circles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Bend that knee. Hover. Circle it out. Okay, and then when we're ready, reverse that circle all the way down. Last time, stretch the left leg up and back and circle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bend the knee in, circle it out, and let it hover above the mat. And then we'll reverse that circle outwards going in, and we're back to tabletop. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Last 2. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Last 1. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Alright, we'll find a neutral spine. Okay, sit back on the heels. Okay, stretch your arms forward in a Balasana position. From here, we're looking forward. We'll inhale. Okay, move forward and up, waving up to Bhujangasana. And exhale, we go back to Balasana. This time, inhale, move forward, wave up to up dog. All right, exhale, back to Balasana. And then just slowly slide the hands towards you, okay? Rounding the spine, okay? So we just stop when the hands are just ahead of the knees. And we'll exhale. Stretch your arms forward, back to our Balasana. Inhale, toes in. Exhale, down dog. Okay? Hands shoulder width apart. Spread the fingers. Okay, feet hip width apart. Drishti towards the navel. Okay, energizing the body. Developing speed and lightness in the legs. Strengthening the ankles. Shaping the legs. Okay, externally, rotate the elbows. Spread the fingers. Walk the hands towards the feet. Hold the big toes. Okay, inhale. Open the chest. If we cannot reach for the big toes, keep the legs straight. You can hold the legs, okay? Anywhere we can reach on the legs, behind the legs. Lengthen the spine. Inhale and exhale. Fold. Padangusthasana, toning the abs. Inhale, open the chest. Okay, exhale, walk the hands forward to plank. Alright, and lower down, chaturanga. Exhale, all the way down. Okay, inhale from here, stretch your arms sideways. Okay, lower the head towards the mat. Inhale, right leg up, full range, keeping that right leg straight. And exhale, move that right leg full range to the left, then set it down. We'll be here for a minute. Okay, and then from there we'll inhale, roll back to center. Okay, from there we'll inhale and stretch the left leg up. Okay, full range. Exhale. Okay, move the left leg towards the right, full range. Set it down. After that, another minute here. Inhale. Let's go back to center. Okay, hands under the shoulders, toes in. Okay, we're going to push up to a half or full plank. Okay, up. Okay, and then from there, exhale, right foot outside the right hand. Inhale, right arm up, drishti towards the right hand. All right, inhale or exhale, bring that right hand down. Inhale, plank. Exhale, left foot outside the left hand. Inhale, left arm up. Drishti towards the left hand. Exhale, left hand down. Inhale, plank. Exhale, down dog. Walk the hands towards the feet. Okay, and then again, we hold the backs of the legs or the big toes. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, fold forward, Padangusthasana. Okay, improving digestion. Inhale, open the chest. Okay, exhale, release to Malasana. Okay, come to a comfortable low squat. Okay, reach the trunk and the arms forward, full range. Then place the hands in Anjali Mudra. All right, so if you have to, widen your stance as much as you need so we keep the feet flat on the ground. So we'll be here for about a minute or less than a minute. All right, and we'll exhale, sit down. All right, and then we'll go back to where we started in Siddhasana, the full or the modified version. Okay, roll the shoulders back and down. Inhale, circle the arms up. Anjali Mudra with hands. All right, exhale, bring your hands to your forehead. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Namaste.